Your Mazda's dashboard lights up and the engine stalls, but by the time you get to the shop, the problem is gone. The issue is almost always a simple physical break in an electrical circuit, most often a failing wheel speed sensor, not a complex computer failure. The drive to the dealer is what hides the problem. Heat and road vibration are just enough to jiggle a loose connection, or a cracked sensor back into making contact. This temporary continuity clears the ABS, traction control, and power steering lights, right before a technician plugs in the scanner, leaving them with no codes to read. So, check these key points yourself before you start the engine. First, go to the battery. Put a wrench on the terminal nuts and confirm they are completely tight. A loose terminal can cause voltage instability that triggers that Christmas tree effect on your dash. Next, find the main chassis ground point on the front frame rail. If that connection isn't clean and solid, your car's computers get bad information because every component needs a solid ground to work. If the battery and grounds are solid, that wheel speed sensor is the most common culprit. The internal connection becomes brittle, breaking when cold and reconnecting with vibration. Replacing it is a straightforward fix, often taking just 15 minutes with a 12mm socket. Ignoring this means you're always one bump away from the engine stalling again, which is a safety risk in traffic. Check these simple connections first. It could save you a diagnostic fee.